does adventure mean to you? Adventure can mean a lot of things depending on who you ask. In these times, I crave any bit of escape. Feeling the outdoors, the textures, the sounds. For me, it's less but better. Having the right tools that will last means something in today's world. The versatility. Charcoal or wood-fired meals. The surface options. I find myself excited to cook in nature again. The setup breakdown isn't bad either, and it only gets better with age. So when you ask what adventure means to me, this is it. Cooking a delicious meal, being in nature, disconnecting and reconnecting, all at the same time. What does adventure mean to you?